join our
Intermediate English. Join, earn, get, spend, feel, and conversations using if. Join, join a club, and join a gym.
Let's get together, join our words as one. Let's get together, join our words as one.
Join.
Juntar-se, ou, virar membro de clube.
Join us.
Junte-se a nós.
Join a club.
Juntar-se a clube, virar sócio de clube.
Join a gym.
Virar membro de uma academia.
Get in shape. Get into college and get work experience.
Getting in shape, getting in shape, getting in shape, getting in shape.
Get in shape.
Conversation 1. A couple in their kitchen.
I am too heavy. I'm thinking about joining a gym.
That's a good idea. You need to lose some weight.
Yes, if I join a gym, I will probably get in shape.
Yes, but last time you joined a gym, it didn't work. You joined a gym but you always found an excuse for not going.
Well, that's true. I need someone to motivate me.
Well, I am not in great shape either, so I guess we could go together.
Great idea. If we join a gym together, we will motivate each other.
Okay. Let's try.
Get into college. Entrar na faculdade. Conversation 2. Two high school students making plans for college.
We have to prepare for the SAT.
SAT. A test that American students take at the end of high school. It's similar to
Enem
in Brazil.
Yes, we need to study a lot for the SAT and to increase our chances of getting into college.
Yes, if I study a lot, and if I get good grades during the year and at the SAT, I will send my application to Harvard Law College.
I plan to study hard too, but I will send college applications to many universities. If I send college applications to many universities, I will have more chances of getting into one.
That's true.
Get work experience. Obtain work experience. Conversation 3. In front of a fast food restaurant.
We are hiring. Fast food operative. Kitchen helper. Cashier.
Look. They are hiring new employees.
Hire. Contratar.
I think I'll apply for the kitchen helper position.
Are you sure? If you get the job, you will fry hamburgers all day.
Yeah, but I've never worked in my life. If I get a job, I will get some work experience.
Yeah, but if you apply for the cashier position, you won't have to feel hot in a kitchen. You will only handle money.
Okay, and if I get a job as a cashier, I'll get work experience on talking to customers too.
Yeah, and if you get the job as a cashier, you might meet some cute girls too.
Okay, I'll apply for the cashier position. I hope I get the job. If I get the job, I will earn some money. And if I earn some money, I'll be able to save it to buy a used car.
And if you buy a car, we'll be able to go to more parties on the weekend.
Why don't you apply for the job too? If we work together, we'll both get work experience.
And earn salaries. Okay, you persuaded me. Let's apply for the cashier positions.
Earn.
Earn.
Ganhar, receber algo como resultado do seu esforço.
Earn money. Earn a college degree.
Ganhar nível universitário. Conseguir diploma universitário.
Earn a living. Survive. Be able to pay your bills.
Conversation 4. College students in University of California.
Your grades are good, but not good enough. You could do better. This is your last year here in college, so you need to study very hard. If you don't study very hard, you won't earn a college degree.
Professor John is right. We need to be more dedicated.
Well, I'm studying very hard already. I will earn my college degree for sure.
Well, I've been a little lazy this semester. I need to be more dedicated. If I study hard, I will get better grades and earn my college degree.
You also need to start looking for an internship or a regular job.
Internship.
Estágio.
I already have a job. I earn my salary and pay all my bills. I don't depend on my parents anymore. I earn my living.
Well, I don't earn anything. I just spend money.
Spend.
Spend.
Gastar ou passar.
Spend money.
Gastar dinheiro.
Spend time with friends.
Passar tempo com os amigos.
Spend energy.
Gastar energia.
Well, school supplies are expensive, so I spend a lot of money too.
Well, I go out a lot. I always spend time with my friends at parties. We spend a lot of money on beer and stuff.
It's important to spend time with your friends, but you'd better reduce drinking, Noah. If you drink a lot, you won't go anywhere. And you spend much time and energy to organize these parties. You should spend your time and energy studying.
And it's a good idea to spend some energy exercising too. It helps to get some discipline and concentrate on the studies.
Conversation 5. Co-workers at the office.
Thanks God it's Friday today. I'm feeling very stressed.
Me too. But I'm feeling tired too. I don't think I can go to the happy hour after work.
Okay. Come on. Let's go to the bar and have some fun. If we don't have fun, we will feel more stressed.
Feel.
Feel stressed. Feel tired. Feel jealous.
Sentir enciumada. Sentir ciúmes.
I can drive you to the bar.
Well, I can spend some time there. But let's not drive there. Let's take a taxi, Uber, or use any car-sharing apps. This way, if we drink much alcohol, we won't have an accident.
Hey, guys, what are you talking about?
We are talking about going to the bar after work.
Would you like to go with us?
I'd like to, but I can't. If I go, my wife will feel jealous. And when she feels jealous, she always argues with me.
Argue. To have a verbal fight.